Today we are going to be looking at finding fractions of amounts using place value counters to help us. Now, I don't have any place value counters at home, but that doesn't have to be a problem. What I've done is just cut up little bits of coloured card to be my place value counters, so you could do that as well if you haven't got any at home. So the first question that we are going to be looking at is a third of 69. Because I am finding a third, I need to make 3 groups because my denominator is 3. So I've just split my page into 3 boxes. What I'm now going to do with my place value counters is I'm going to get the number 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and then 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got my number 69. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my tens equally between the 3 columns. So I'll say 10 for the first one, 10 for the second one, 10 for the third one, 10, 10, 10. I've managed to share all of my tens equally. There's 20 in each box. Now I'm going to share my ones in the exact same way, putting 1 in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have now shared 69 between 3 groups. I've found a third of them. If I count up the number in a box, that will tell me my answer. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 1/3 of 69 is 23. And you can also count up your other boxes just to check you haven't made any mistakes. They should all have exactly the same number in, so they should all have 23 in. Brilliant. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to find 1/4 of 84. So have a little think now. How many boxes do you need to create if you're making 1/4? While you're thinking about that, I'm going to get 84 counters out. So you should have worked out that you needed 4 boxes. So I'm going to draw now 4 boxes to share my 84 between. So exactly the same as last time, I'm going to share my tens first. Put 1 in each box until I've run out of tens. Then I'm going to share my ones until I've run out of ones. Okay, once you've done that, you count up how many's in one box. 10, 21. 21. So 1/4 of 84 is 21. So the next question we're going to look at now is this one, 1/5 of 75. Have a think about how many boxes you're going to need while I get out 75 place value counters. So you should have worked out that you needed 5 boxes because you're finding 1/5. So I'm going to draw out 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've also made my number 75. So the first thing I need to do, again, is share my tens out. So I'm going to say a 10, a 10, 10, 10, a 10. Now, I've got a little bit of a problem because I have not yet shared 2 of my tens. But if I do that, it's not going to be fair because they're not all going to have an equal amount of tens. So I need to exchange or regroup these tens and I need to change them for some ones. So I need 20 more ones. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share all of my ones. And remember, I've now got 20 more as well. And I'm going to share them equally between the groups, including the ones I've got here. So keep sharing them out. Make sure you don't miss a column. Otherwise, you will end up with the wrong number in each column. Okay, so you've shared them out equally, and now you're going to check how many you've got in a column. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And again, you can check your other columns if you want to make sure you've got 15 in all of them. So 15 is your answer there. So 1/5 of 75 is 15. And the last one we're going to look at is this one here, 1/6 of 72. So as we're looking at sixths, we need to make 6 boxes. So that's what I'm doing now. 6 boxes, and then I'm going to get 72 out with my counters. So 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens and 2 ones. So I'm going to start by sharing my tens, put 1 in each box, like so. But then I've got 1 left over. I can't put that in a box because that would make it unfair. I wouldn't be sharing it equally. So I'm going to exchange this, regroup it. I'm going to put it away and I'm going to take it out in ones instead, 10 of them. So I've already got 2, then I'm making 10 more. Fantastic. Now I can share them. And I can share 1 into each box until I run out. And then when I've done that, I will then count up how many I've got in a box, and then I can double check with the other boxes. So what you should be able to see now is that I've got a 10 and 2 ones in each box, which makes 12. Therefore, 1/6 of 72 is 12. So that's all you need to do. And then if that makes sense to you using the place value counters, you can watch my other video of how to do it without the place value counters and how to do it using your times tables.